Good morning. October 14th, 2023. On the way to the little shop. Just gonna play a couple hours. Try to play with the prime weld. Try to learn how to TIG weld. I never really was taught, so I bought the welding machine so I can teach myself. I have a little boat, and I want to be able to learn how to TIG weld some aluminum and stainless to make my own rod holders, and so on. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm new at this. I'm trying to make it a little better, a little bit more content, get a little better with the talking. So I'd appreciate your comments. Just don't be too harsh. I'm learning. This is a new experience for me. So see you at the shop. Ooh, I'm definitely not for hire. And that's my good. Yeah, I was blowing something up over there. Get back to it. A little better, a little hot. That one got away on me. A lot more practice. Yeah, no bueno. Look like a pile of dookie on. That's why I'm here. Practice. 116. Little pre-flow. A little post-flow. A 2T. I ain't even messing with nothing else. I'm almost out of gas. We're gonna practice until we run out. Alright, we ran out of gas. You know what happened there. Yup, dabbed in. I did learn something very important today. I need a lot of practice. Whoop. Alright, I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all know the drill. Hit that like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. To the next one. Peace out.